This veggie mac and cheese is packed with hidden veg. You've got roasted pumpkin, cauliflower, carrots, garlic, with some spices, and then you just blend it with some nutritional yeast and cashews. It obviously doesn't taste exactly like mac and cheese, but it's close enough. It's super cheesy, super hearty. You're gonna love it.
Let's make tuna sushi balls. This is so easy to make and perfect for lunch. Just turn tuna rice into balls. Add the toppings you prefer. I added mayo and teriyaki sauce. And that's it. Enjoy!
My teenagers love anything sushi, so they became obsessed with these crispy salmon bowls. The key is to slice up your fish into chunks so the seasonings go everywhere and they cook faster too. I, of course, used my Chipotle Danos, so damn good, threw in some spicy mayo, seasoned sushi rice, avocado, carrots, cucumbers, jalapeno, nori paper, sesame seeds, and salmon roe. Love your life.
Let's make super easy creamy hummus. We're going to start off with 2 cans of chickpeas. Save the juice because we're going to put some of that in. Tahini, olive oil, lemon, garlic, cumin, salt, and blend it up. Once it's blended, we're going to add it to a bowl, do a little swoosh in the middle, add some extra chickpeas, some paprika, some olive oil, and we're done.
If you're cutting this cheeseburger salad, it's going to save your life. Wow. Go make it.
The Big Mac salad, only 279 calories. And when you're cutting, you need that food volume to keep you full. And this Big Mac salad is it. And it is incredible. And this sauce I'm about to show you how to make, man. So when I came up with this sauce recipe, I was gonna make a Big Mac sauce. And I started playing around with it, and turns out this was like literally identical to a Raising Cane's fry sauce. So it's like, all right, I'm gonna put it on the Big Mac salad. So now we're gonna make our Big Mac salad. You're gonna chop up all your vegetables, add them to your big salad bowl, and then toss in about 1/2 of the sauce. Now we're gonna cook our burgers. We're gonna take 4 2-ounce 96.4 lean ground beef patties, add to a pan preheated on a 7 out of 10 heat, season with sea salt, garlic powder, add a cover on top, and press out any of the extra juice to make sure there's no air bubbles. Chop into smaller pieces for the salad, add to the salad, grate some 2% Colby Jack cheese on top, a little bit more sauce. Enjoy, my friends.
Let's make blueberry baked oats in the air fryer. So start off with oats, banana, frozen blueberries, honey, baking powder, salt, and a little bit of almond milk. We're gonna blend this up and get a beautiful purple color, add it to an oven-safe container, and then we're gonna air fry at 350 for about